Okay, here's how the Hunter quickfire sling is attached. I've already got it here on my Ruger SN722, just wondering. Anyway, you have the upper sling here, lower sling here, the buttstock, and you have this keeper here. And the way you do it is you straddle the keeper with the Chicago screws up at the top. Here's this end, and I'll show it loops down and then through this. Now, one thing I did notice is the newer versions don't have the roller. There used to be a roller on this brass right here, and the new ones don't have it anymore. I guess that was probably a cost-cutting measure. It still works though. And then it goes up to here and then down, and then these two Chicago screws go through, and at this is the tail end of it. You'll notice, yeah, the tail end is right here, and so the one Chicago screw goes through on this side, and you'll want this keeper on this loose end here and here, so it comes again down, up, and up through this keeper, and then back down again, and the screw goes through there, this loose end, and then you've got the keeper, and then you've got the other Chicago screw here, so the keeper will stay between those, and then all the way down through this second keeper over here. And you can bring that all the way down, and that's obviously down the buttstock, then up, and this end right here, that by the way is sewn onto the keeper, so it slides this way. Then of course to adjust, you can pull it this way to loosen it, or pull it this way to tighten it, depending on where you go. You grab it here to loosen, grab here to tighten. Again, loosen. You can pull that down more or less, and then up here to tighten it again. I'm trying to do this by holding the camera, but anyway, it works pretty well. It's not quite as taut on this particular rifle as it is on my 30-06 and my 1894, because it's a shorter stock slightly, a little smaller, lighter gun. So it doesn't go quite as taut as it does on those, because just this is a smaller gun. But anyway, that's how it works.